Hello everyone. Today we're going to show how to commit code from Visual Studio to GitHub. Let's start by opening Visual Studio. You can go to the search bar down here and type Visual Studio. Press open. Now open the project you want to commit to GitHub. Once your code loads, press Add to Source Control. Press Git. Now, under Account, press Sign In. Add an account and GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you can refer to my previous video where we looked at how to create a Git account. Now enter your login credentials. Once you get here, just scroll down and press Authorize GitHub. So now you can return to GitHub and press Create and Push. Now, when you edit your code on Visual Studio, it will update on GitHub. You go here, type github.com. So the code you enter from here will commit onto GitHub right here. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.